wanted to document this swivel bucket seat base here that I've been working on. I pulled it out to weld some new feet on here. I don't know if you can see that. So the inner feet were rotted off. The outers are pretty solid. I just got to wire brush those. But the main reason I pulled this off is the seat would not swivel. It was not budging, and I've never really had a seat do that. I mean, I've had them hard to turn because they haven't been used in all the years that they've been around, but this was pretty interesting. When I got here, somebody had welded, there's 4 ears that are bent over that this pivots on, so this plate doesn't come undone. And somebody had welded up each one of these ears to the actual plate that swivels. What I found out was the little ear over here was broken off, so I can only surmise that somebody didn't want their seat to keep swiveling because there's no way to lock it in place, so they just went ahead and welded it. So I've been working on grinding these welds out to break this free to get it to function properly again. So we'll see how that works out. Well, as I was working on this swivel base, trying to break it free from those tack welds on the front side, I got everything separated that I could see, but it still wouldn't turn. But I flipped it over just to see if there was any obstructions over here, and lo and behold, someone put a weld here on these stops. There's a finger in here that hits up against here, so it only goes to 90 degrees. So these two stops keep it from swiveling all the way around. Anyways, they tried welding this and it doesn't look like it took, but this one definitely is welded to the plate above, so I got to grind that out and hopefully we can get this thing to spin. All right, with about 2 hours of grinding, I finally got this thing freed up. So this wasn't so much the problem. They welded the heck out of the bottom as well, so I had to wallow all that out with the die grinder to get it to free up from all the booger welds that they put in there. So I got that knocked out. The next thing is the locking mechanism. I don't know if you can see here. You can see it's sheared off. So what I did is I saved my old lawnmower blades for metal, and I cut a chunk out of it, and I'm going to weld that to the lever inside there and just have it stick up just a little bit. And I'll show you the underside here. So you can see how that works. And a lot of times this arm will break from fatigue, and so I've welded up probably 18 gauge on the inside just to give it some reinforcement, and then I would weld the crack. And of course this is a real common problem, that locking mechanism wearing out or breaking the tab. So I've done a couple of those repairs. And as far as the feet go, I'm just going to fabricate some out of some 1/8 inch plate, probably use some of that lawnmower blade, and mock it up on the floor of the El Camino I'm working on, just to make sure everything's lined up right. But we're going to make this seat base work no matter what. Like I said, these things are not easy to come by, and you can repair them and make them function properly with a little bit of ingenuity and spare metal. Okay, I fabbed up some feet for the seat adjuster tracks that were rotted off. And I just cut these out of this angle iron I had, and just kind of bent it to a similar bend as the other side. So when I look across, they're pretty well even like they should be. I just got to drill the holes for the mounting bolts or nuts, because I think there's studs on this side. But I got that one clamped, ready to weld. And then I've got my little piece here that I'm going to weld up in here. Okay, I got my new feet welded on here. Ain't real pretty, but it will definitely hold. And then got my little lever here fixed, so that should be all right. And everything's nice and flush. All the feet are touching the work table here, so I think I'll be good. Okay, let's see if this functions properly. So that's what it's supposed to do. When you spin it, it's supposed to lock into place. So all that's good.